Obi Somali akasifu na ya.
Ave, Ave, Ave Maria.
Ave.
Hey, our sister DYNA EKWUEME, come, welcome to the show. Welcome to Naija Daughter TV show. Yes, I bet me una dey watch my video. DYNA EKWUEME fans. DYNA EKWUEME fans. Una dey like my video now. Me una dey watch my video from the beginning to the end. Me una dey watch am. Una dey watch am now. Una dey watch am as dem dey watch that was sister editorial. Una dey watch am like that. Una not just dey click. Una dey watch am well well. Welcome to Naija Daughter TV. If today is your first time of coming across this girl, this mommy of two, join this beautiful family. Okay. Today I see my beautiful sister DYNA EKWUEME. First of all, first time for Instagram. I said, I shout up my mouth. Later, I see am again. I say, I been at my eye, they deceive me. If not my eye, they deceive me. I bet wake coming up. Hate me hard. Let me wake up. Abroad, not easy, no. Abroad, before you dey japa, japa. No, not come for me. I'm just, I just dey do my job. The job I love. The thing I like. I just dey do. I want show now. My beautiful sister, DYNA EKWUEME, her new look. Now, don't see her new look. I'm not sure say many people don't see her new look. Now, don't see our sister new look, DYNA EKWUEME. The DYNA. The dynamite. The dynamite. Now that's it. Now DYNA EKWUEME new look. No, that's it. Now who? Her new look. Our sister new look. DYNA EKWUEME. Welcome to the of not making hair. This her new look. It befits am. What you not take? As I see her, cause who be this or why this? So now DYNA be na sister, be na her junior sister, be na her. DYNA never introduced any of her junior sister to us. So am I dreaming? Am I sleepy? My beautiful sister. I don't get anything. This your new look. In fact, it fits you. It fits you well. And in fact, it can make you look that under 16. If you've come to talk your age, now you say you be mommy of 2, mommy of 3. Now mommy of 3, you know mommy of 2, shut up. Like me when they say mommy of 2, mommy of 2. If you will say you be mommy of 3 now, nobody would say you be mommy of 3. They'll say that you be secondary school students. But me una come, this are abroad, sha. Now made they say no place like home. As I just see my sister, I just sit down. Happy. I say, na DYNA EKWUEME with this. Na DYNA. The dynamite. I not call for me. I just you now. Now what you now call her now? Now celebrate. I be una die her fan. I be waiting. What call her? I just say me I carry her come. Me I just see. Maybe we just talk about her as I see her. Yes, this my video. Get as it be. I just say me I carry her come outside. Me I tell una say see DYNA EKWUEME new look. Yes, she still they advertise for so place when you say they do everything for her. They promote that her video, but no na come that her promote video when you say they promote her video that she can't tie her hair that time she dey lose the hair after she can't lose the hair. Don't say her husband sabi baba even talk and say if you dey Saudi Arabia and she dey pass through this kind of thing when she dey pass through Saudi Arabia, yes now when she dey pass through, so maybe you be man, you know, so they make your they cut your hair. Her husband they cut her. Now her husband just cut this kind of hair for her. So hey DYNA, hey, you don't get anybody for Saudi Arabia when you forgot they make your hair. My sister now so we see her for her this abroad too. Before you see somebody when make this undermine me, I even dey France. Me, I be person wey no sabi waka one. Maybe you go place like Paris, yes. You go place like capital city. I believe if you go capital city, you will still go make your hair. But to waka and say mom and her husband they work. Now see my people. And her choice, you know, I just want to talk about her new look, DYNA EKWUEME new look. It refits her, but maybe a capital city of that Saudi Arabia, people go there, they want go they make hair system, DYNA EKWUEME. But because of you are a mommy of 2, mommy of 3, why I always say mommy of 2? You are mommy of 3, you can't, you know, carry children, and your husband, they work for hospital. Maybe the time when your husband take get chance, you know, children. It's not really easy, shy. It's not really easy to be a mom and nobody to assist you, and your husband, they work. It's not really easy. I understand, my beautiful sister. Thank God, so you don't the day used to eat. You really talk and say you feed beer, you know. If you can cut your hair, you know, say we the ladies now hair be our pride. Now this is our hair, so May I not mind this Naija daughter. Oh, it is our hair. Na poko, na pipi. This our hair. na something o. Before a lady sacrifice that her hair, she cut am, and because of her husband, because of her children. God bless women, God bless women, God bless women, God bless women, and God bless men too, wey dey work the work and take care of their wife. It's not easy too, you know. Her new look, e fit her. For me, her new look is okay. I just say, me I let una know say Dinah, in case una see am for road, no na not pass am. Na Dinah Ekwueme na dey see so. I know say, you know say cap now e dey cover many. Cap now e just be like cloth when you put for body. Cap now e don dey cover many things for our body. Yes, so e don dey cover many things. Cap be like you wear cloth, then you cover. If I remove this cap for my hair, you go run scatter. Na me by myself dey plait am o. My sister Dinah, why you just quick you to cut your hair like that? Why you quick you? You not have mat your hair by yourself. At least you, for me, oh, because since I did now, if I not still make my hair, I go matter. I not have make hair before. If you be mom, they follow my step family. You will learn it. I not have mat hair before. I not have plait hair before. Now this Europe teach me how to make hair. Now this Europe teach me how to mat hair. I not sabi do all those things before, but when I come dey Europe, I come dey France. Mostly this my city. Our former city, people dey when they make hair before. But mostly this our city when we find ourselves so. You know, see anybody when you go make your hair. When government they give them go. If you know see anybody when you go make your hair, then I learn how to mat my hair by myself. I remember when I give birth to my daughter, half man, you know those rubber when they pack pikin hair, so I no fit. He had me, I know say I be lefty now. He had me from there. I started dey learn till today. Na me dey make my daughter hair. Me when I be adult, I no still make my hair. Now my daughter now I go find go make her hair. Oh, now my daughter ask me again. My sister DYNA EKWUEME, I wish for me, I for advise you, you for the mat your hair by yourself. Then, but this look is still fit you. Maybe not come for me, or not me go choose for you. But I just a talk in case you be mom, you not be like DYNA EKWUEME. You know what cut your hair. You love your hair. You know say we ladies we love our hair. Well, if our hair maybe you lose and it cut, it dey pain us. I don't know whether it dey do na like that, but for me, Naija daughter, it dey do me a lot. Once I lose my hair, I can't see a lot when it comb, when it pull. Mostly, if I see somebody when make my hair now, so one person don't they promise to make my hair now. I pray may if she really make her, I go pay. I no be saying I'm free. You know, maybe I will carry that hair. I will carry that hair like say, maybe una not follow me dragon. If I lose them. E come cut, I dey cry. I'll say, hey, see, the two go they pay me like say that they draw the hair when they inside my nose. But if you be mom like that, or you not be like DYNA EKWUEME, you love to leave your hair. My sister, don't cut it. What I will advise you, they mat your hair by yourself. You know hard. If you feel use hand, they just cut am like this. Then just carry and they matter. If you notice I be now those calabar, carry and matter, then leave am, carry and plait and be mat. Just leave am. Then when you dey go outside, if na cap you go put, or you put with one cap or normal face cap, anyone, you are good to go. You understand? If you not be like DYNA EKWUEME herself, she even get husband when they cut her hair, when they shave her hair now. When they shave, cut. I don't know. Me I don't want use wrong word. When they shave her hair because say her husband is good for that. Now she know they find person when go they make her hair for her again. Now her dad, her husband, yes, her husband and her dad. Now you go carry her sit down. Shave the hair. My hair long, sha. If I lose my hair, I retouch her. I dey retouch my hair once in 3 months because I don't want me relaxer. Just see the chop. And I mean not the do. I mean see they put relaxer every month. Relaxer. Now I see they retouch my hair. Before I come find out say my hair not called they get weight. Then I stop to the retouch my hair every month. I can't shift down to every 3 months. I retouch my hair December now, and I'm supposed to retouch her this month. I still they look calm. I just say me every DYNA EKWUEME come out for you, okay? God bless all the mothers. See what mother they sacrifice because of location, family. She can't cut her hair. What you not get to talk? If you are DYNA EKWUEME, you will cut your hair. If na me, shall not cut my hair because I get long hair. I go mat and go back. I'll plait and go back by myself. But if you be person who not sabi, you feel cut am. But I will still advise you, if the thing go pain you, no cut am. Just the practice how to mat and go back. Like your daughter now, sister DYNA EKWUEME, you know they use your daughter hair to learn. Use and learn. And many of them are in Nigeria. If no one reach japa, may not try learn those hair something. Yes, I know say some people go say, why you not learn that for Nigeria? I be tell my brother I want to learn hair something. He say no. He said no. I make me. I like that hard work. Maybe I make me quick. Maybe I make I think they do without I not learn. I not learn hairdressing. I not learn hairdressing at all. I not learn. I started to make the hair. When I small, some other small girls when they around me, maybe December time, I go buy all those soap wey dey perm hair. I go use am perm their hair, then I go plait am. Sometimes I go say make I try do Bob Marley, but e no ever dey fall put. Glory be to God. I give birth to baby girl, baby girl. Una don't mind me. I just say me I use this video to tell una say DYNA new look. How do you see it? Did you like it? DYNA new look.
You don't cast, last. Now everybody go
As
to
you na my next video, don't
breakfast.
forget to subscribe, hit the like button, always like my video. DYNA man, you know that watch
To go bow for the result, nothing to discuss, cause I did win by